What are you eating? Are you eating cheese? She's eating a pepperoni. That's disgusting.
Today's October 22nd.
Hey! Hiccuping!
Theo, hiccups are hilarious.
He's hiccuping. Don't make him quiet, Harper. But he's hiccuping.